Hi everybody, welcome to the home of Krybaby Performance, where we're going to do a little more flywheel testing today. Alright, here we are at the lake. We got some flywheels, we got some ducks in the background. For all you guys that like a heavy flywheel, we're going to throw it in the lake. For all you guys that like a light flywheel, throw it in the lake. Wait a minute, is that floating? Oh boy, that must be a fast one. All right, we got two flywheels here, and we're gonna do a distance challenge. See how far we can throw one. Go ahead, Al, throw one. Okay, now throw the other one. Whoa, what's up with that one? We have now concluded that the heavier flywheel sinks to the bottom of the lake faster, and the light one may even float. We have also concluded that the light flywheel can be thrown a longer distance than the heavy flywheel. That concludes our coverage from the lake. See you at the racetrack.